Today I'm changing the alternator in my 2019 Silverado with the 5.3, and the bracket for the alternator has two bolts on it. The left bolt is substantially longer than the right bolt, and when you go to slide the bolt out, it actually hits the fan and does not allow you to pull the bolt out. So what you need to do is grab yourself a T25 and remove the three bolts to the fan motor itself. There's one hole, two holes, and the third hole right there. Drop the fan down gently and utilize the space where the fan motor was to pull the bolt all the way through and then lift it up out of that area. And then, of course, do the reverse of that when you're putting the new alternator in. While you're at it, grab yourself a new stretch belt and drive belt and a new pulley. I hope this helps. It was a pain in the butt for me to figure out, but wanted to put a video out there for you guys.